Hey, View, my high school high.
Hey, nah, good shit.
How about Bella?
Hey, that joke
Bella
is
is the
banging,
shit.
man.
Baba, like, yeah, man.
Like that,
You for the fashion, United Coast, so
Yeah,
yeah.
come on, y'all.
I be doing this every day. AV, oh, you know who I be. By the way, whisper words that will clear cloudy day. Anything may come into play. You heard enough compliments about your looks. Now I tested your self-confidence by a different approach. Now you're coming back for more like I'm your coach. Forget the stress, exercise your mind while I talk about mind sex like dead press. Tell me, have you ever been torn apart or spent a night with a broken heart? Before we take it to the next level, think about contraception. They make your body hot like volcanic eruption.
hadalkaaga macaan aragaaga wanaagsan jirkaaga dhaqaaqi simankaaga toosan deeftayda waaye ku nuursahaaye axdiga dhowre agtayda jooge la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha isoo dhawaatay agtay imaame dhexdaada qabsado udgoon badane bashida macaateed dhaxda habboone nusigayga waaye waa ka helaaye la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha.
Yeah, you just don't understand. Avogadro is known for a one-night stand. Back breaking the ass kicking, that's one tight plan. Turn a shy girl into wild girl that needs more attention but seeks no relation. Come on girl, let me show you how I do that. Come on girl,
Yeah.
you just show me how you
Come on,
shake
girl.
that ass. Forget the past about your ex. You know nothing lasts forever. There won't be no predicament, and you won't be a victim of a bad commitment. I guarantee,
Yeah.
you guarantee. When I hit
ABL.
that, you gon' be free. If you can't make up your mind,
Make up
you
your
need
mind,
to
girl.
be in a world where the blind leading the blind. Cause I hate the girl, the ghost like let's keep official like Nora. Then says let's keep it a secret like it's hidden in the mountains of Tora Bora.
habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal ib labaasha